Hello friends, welcome to N Curve24, and today we have another video on Jovees scrub, which is for physical exfoliation. I am not a fan of physical exfoliation, but I do exfoliate my skin very rarely, maybe monthly once, or sometimes when I feel I have to remove the dead skin cells from my skin. This is a natural brand. I got this from the nearest store. This is Jovees apricot and almond scrub. Scrubbing is necessary when you feel your face becomes too much dull or it has a lot of impurities underneath and it has some dead skins to be removed. So that time you may need a physical exfoliator like this. This has ingredients like apricot kernel oil, vegem oil, walnut shell powder, and this is a cruelty free brand, and I'm in a white color tube packaging like this. I'll show you how it looks. The consistency is little bit creamy. The directions for use is written on the package itself. You have to moisten your face and then you have to apply this. Not applying, after applying just give small massages. As you can see, it has small granules of walnut shell. You can literally see it. It's like brown color, small granules. You can see it is very gentle on the skin. It's not at all hard and it gives a very gentle exfoliation. See it. So this is how it looks. When you use on face, you will moisten your face and then do at least 4 to 5 minutes of massaging movements, especially the circular motion movements on the upward side, and it will have a good result. Whenever you do any kind of physical exfoliation, please follow this method. And this comes in a 50-gram package and this costs around 80 rupees. This is the back side. A cream based scrub that contains specially treated granules which aims in removing the dead epithelial cells. So it also improves the quality of cells. It gives skin youthful and fresh look. So according to my experience, this actually gave a little light glow, but it's not too long lasting glow, just a little glow it gave, and it effectively removes the dead skin cells. As it claims, it actually does what it claims, and it showed some result on the fresh look. I had a very fresh skin post to this scrubbing, and I do like the fragrance. It's a little mild fragrance. I hope it's apricot oil smell. So this is overall a good product. The only con is it should have mentioned all the ingredients. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.